for my morning report. Chart appraisals with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Thursday, 22nd of March. Going to look at cable now, and it's been a good week for sterling. Certainly that is the case. Two big strong candles on Monday and Wednesday. That little bear candle that we saw on Tuesday was as a result of inflation dropping more than expected, but subsequently yesterday we had strong wages and also the reaction to the Fed that was dollar negative. So subsequently cable strongly higher yesterday, big strong bull candle yesterday, and that's continued today. We've had a decent resale sales number out for the UK, although sort of underlying, I suppose, it's not all that great in terms of resale sales, which are sort of still under pressure, but the better than expected data this morning has helped to drive the market higher on sterling, and subsequently cable is higher by sort of 25 pips at the moment. Now we break out above 41.45 yesterday. That continues this run higher that we've had, these these higher lows and higher highs in the past sort of 3 weeks on cable. Look at those MACD lines. Big move to the upside now, sort of beginning to accelerate higher, following on from that bull cross. We've got the RSI in the mid 60s and rising. Look at that level, 83 back in January when that really strong run higher came. So there is upside potential still in this market, and you'd be sort of pointing out towards 76.4 is a Fibonacci retracement of the big Brexit sell-off, but 42.75 is the next real reaction high. That was the Feb high, and then 43.45 from Jan. So it looks as though the market is sort of accelerating higher, sort of corrections are being bought into, so watch out for any sort of intraday or sort of a minor bit of a correction on cable as a chance to buy, really, because you do have this, as I said, this run higher that is going, and it's accelerating. So you'd be looking out for the breakouts to be a basis of support. 40.87, that was 40.70, that reaction high. So there's a pretty decent basis of support just under 141 figure if you get a little correction. But certainly anything above 140 big figure that finds support, I think is a nice little buying opportunity, because that sort of is a psychological level that the market has now been broken through and sort of beginning to really sort of gain sort of momentum to the upside. You can see positive configuration across the hourly chart. Momentum indicators all strongly configured. Look at those MACD lines, finding support around neutral, rising away. You just had a bit of a sort of a slight slip in the MACD lines, RSI, but generally speaking, I think you can say this is a positive chart that is looking to find little corrective moves as a chance to buy. If I put my crosshairs around that 40.70 level, you can see that was a pretty decent breakout yesterday on the Fed, and it's sort of is now a basis of support. So any weakness, I think, is a chance to buy on cable. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later.